Hello, this is Paul Milligan for IC Show TV at IC 2020. Many thanks for joining us for this video today. I'm joined today by Martin from QSC. Welcome, Martin.
Thanks, Paul.
So first of all, can you tell me why real-time monitoring tools, management tools, are so important for system administrators and end users as a whole?
Sure. Well, from our perspective, we've been talking about network-connected AV systems for so long. We're now running into the same problems that everybody in the IT world has been dealing with for the last 15, 20 years, where the proliferation of network-connected devices means you have this huge estate of devices that you need to be able to quickly see the behavior of and see if they're still performing the way they need to, so you can be more proactive and efficient with your support teams. So it's about giving visibility to all the devices that are making up your AV team and your AV system so that you can keep track of it all.
Sure. I mean, I guess it's a reflection of the wider industry that everything is over IP now, so the monitoring tools is a huge part of that.
Yeah, and networking brings with it so many key advantages to us that the challenge, of course, is that now we have so many devices that are on the network, we need to be able to more efficiently keep track of those and look after those with our somewhat limited AV support teams.
Sure. Could you talk me to the business model for the new Q-Sys Reflect Enterprise Manager, please?
Certainly. So we've spent a long time looking at the way the IT world does this, and so our business model really has multiple different entry points for different customer types. It's very important that we provide our end customer, the end user, with the tools that they need, but also that we can look after the channel piece. So for us, there's multiple methods. Primarily, we would like to work through system integrators who already have a mature managed services solution. And if that's the case, then Enterprise Manager becomes a tool set with which they can provide those managed services to their end users. They can either use it as the single pane of glass for all the Q-Sys and third-party devices, or it can become a data source to a broader single pane of glass solution. Beyond that, end users can purchase the solution and recompense integrators that are involved in that process. So if you're not, as an integrator, if you're not already set up for managed services, this is a useful on-ramp because it gives you access to revenue to be able to get your customers involved and leverage that tool set, but also be part of the value chain.
Sure. I mean, certainly the feedback we get from a sort of journalistic point of view from integrators is that managed services are becoming a huge part of their business now because the margins on hardware is kind of shrinking all the time, so they're looking for extra streams of revenue, and managed services has become a huge part of that. And I guess it's great for the industry to hear manufacturers are responding to that, like yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I think if you look again at the IT world, there's great evidence out there to support that actually managed services doesn't need to be a little extra icing on the top. It really can truly be the most profitable part of your business. So we want to start that journey with our integration partners and give them the tool sets to be able to service their customers with a maintainable and a scalable solution from both a business and a technology perspective.
Wonderful. Martin, many thanks for your time. It's great to hear manufacturers are listening to integrators. It sounds exactly like QSC are doing, so many thanks for your time.
No problem at all. Thank you.